Kofi Nkrabea. Onyamunwa, now baby you. Missy Jason, Missy Jason, Kofi Nkrabea, Missy Jason. Hey, Kofi Nkrabea. Hey, Bimba Jimmy, oh, Bimba Jimmy, oh, Bimba Jimmy,
Asam. The chief wants you in the palace right now. The chief wants to see me in the palace. Please, can you tell me why the chief wants to see me in the palace? The chief didn't ask me to speak. He only asked me to invite you. Okay, I will be there as the chief says.
Papa, I want to discuss an important issue with you. Kofi Nkrabea, I am very happy to see you coming in front of me to discuss an important issue with me. But very sad to see you drunk. But I am ready to listen to everything you say. So go on. Papa, you know I'm grown. I now know the good and the bad. You are old. You can die anytime. Papa, please don't be annoying of what I'm going to say. I want my part of your properties before you die. Kofi Nkrabea, you've made me very sad. And so in pain for say, a jaw way, by monotone. Sounds on a dada sote. But let me tell you something. Properties are only distributed after a father is dead. But me, as I am alive now, I'm not going to give anything out to anybody. No, Papa. I demand mine now. Else what? Are you threatening me, your father?
Watch, you're a wicked man. Watch it, you're a wicked man.
Keep quiet.
You're a wicked man.
Watch, you can't hear him say keep quiet.
Watch.
Don't you know you're in the palace?
Auntie Kumiwa. So when I make kasa, yeah, sure you na me pharaoh. Me pharaoh pa.
Are you trying to insult me?
Oh no, not at all.
Ago, I should be quiet and listen to Nana.
We've all heard from both sides, and the elders have digested the issue to the best they can. But I feel an agreement is an agreement. Asem was supposed to pay in 3 months' time and take the land, which he didn't. So the land must go back to Boache to refund the part payment as it was in the agreement.
Nana, Nana, thank you for your kindness, Nana. May the gods richly bless you, Nana. You are the wisest king in the whole world knows, Nana. God will bless you very much, sir. Nana has done. Must make me happy, you get my sir.
Nana, so am I going to give out all the crops on the land to you?
Ade, Nana Kasan want you. Was sweating at the time if you are now having, sir. Ade.
Asempa, you thought to get those crops on the land. And when Boachi was giving the land to you, there was no crops on it. So you have to give back the land to him. And that is after you have harvested.
That is not fair. You gave him a fertile land. So every crop on the land is for me. And I am a dear.
Watch it. You are a cheat and a liar.
Sasu calls me a cheat and a liar. Don't you ever say that thing again. Ochiami, please, Nana, don't do that. Nana's already judged that. And you take the land. But Nana, he might want to change the judgment, please. Nana, no. If this, anything.
The Queen and I have taken the decision, and so shall it be.
Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea,
Make you jump.
But you must see him watching.
Hey, Nkrabea, what has come over you?
You can kill your father, but not my uncle. He's crazy, Papa. You can kill your father.
Calm down.
You can kill his father, but not my uncle. Sure. Asem, put that behind you. And what you must pray for is for the crop to yield and grow, for you to get money to buy a new land.
Amen. I cannot imagine all my toils will be in vain. I tied this land with all my strength. The land was too bad.
Asem, I know. I see you work on that land day and night. Let it go. Everyone know that Bachi is a cheat. And one day, you try it on someone else and it will be bad for him.
Yo, I leave him in the hands of the gods of the land. A friend indeed is a friend in need.
Abraham, I go. Oh, wait. Just share the land and give me mine.
Also, Kaza, remember, oh, James is here. Just have it. Oh, money new.
Just sorry.
And yet, say, just have a corner, compare in should become one nature. And 1 year. It's just sorry. 2 minutes, I get money. One send me catch you. Just sorry. Today, what's up in the palace? I didn't like it at all. Just sorry, ma'am. Pepper who say, and then here, me say, on him. I'm surprised that the king passed such wicked judgment. Just sorry. How could he say that Asem should take all the crops on the land before giving it to me? Then I'll person catch him. You know what? I am sure that the pronouncement is from the queen mother. I saw the look of her face when I had the last chat with the chief. Just sorry. That one she's wicked though. Hey, she will tell you she has a compassion and will not take any justice favor from anybody. Sir, what is right to right? I'm not okay with that. Sir, can't you? See the miracle to me, young company should be coming one in a chili. Yeah, judging me.
I said everything that belongs to me, Kofi, will surely be given to me. I have finished with him, and that is all.
Action man. Action man.
Really regretted. And I don't even know how to get into the house.
Do you know something? If you go home and he's there, just apologize. Huh? Kofi, go home. I must not be seen with you. Especially the fight I had with HJF. He put me to the red light. So we'll meet this evening, okay?
I swear, I didn't kill my father. I only used that knife to threaten him yesterday. But that was because I was drunk.
Everyone in this village knows that you don't drink.
Yes. When opening Jemfi was at the bar, and he also said the same thing. Oh, Penny sorry.
And Bomidi or I sent where Barham de Manuatu. A buyer may be among the Manuatu. A buyer means a wicked abatement, a bar man castle. Nana, I go within you. He took in alcohol to go and kill his father. Hey, go almost anonymous and yes, almost you crowd, Menhunida, and me, Menhunida. Or no one, sir. And I go, she we. I could try, I could, and I am with him anyway. Nana, on him at the PM. Striker. Now call 100 PM. Defender, you know, Bobby. Nana, go. Oh, you wicked papa. Calling kitty yellow and fearing in an hour. Now go close for. Then I make a papa. Nana, you didn't so.
Nana, it's not true.
It's not true.
Nakunedu has sent Papa in. I left the house.
Where did you go when you left the house?
I went to my friend's house.
And did you return?
No, until this morning.
Who is that friend?
Nana, Kweku.
You said it was the same knife you used in threatening your father. And even opening Jemfi saw you at the bar. Akwesi and Kunedu filmed you leaving the house, but didn't see you dropping the cutlass. Ochiami, order the guards to put him in the inferior prison whilst we investigate more in this issue.
Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea, yeah. Asemi, mini mushi gra. Asemi, hey, mini mushi, yeah. Onyamina, nobody amamio, hey. Onyamina, nobody amami, yeah. Onibira. Audi nyankasem, oh, ankonam.
Minyo dancing phobia, dancing phobia. A jonya me, Jawuba, Fio, you more. A jonya me, Jawuba, Fio, you more. Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea. A jonya me, Jawuba, Fio, you more. Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea, Kofi Nkrabea. A jonya me, Jawuba, Fio, you more. Good evening.
I'm just coming from the States and I have a little difficulties in locating the way to my house, so I wanted to ask if you could be here for a little help. I'm Miss Safo's daughter.
Mama Safo. Is it the one who went to store? Cassava from a Yava's farm.
She stole cassava.
Oh, well, what's your name?
If you can do, and my dad is Osei Kwame.
I remember your father. Your father was my good friend.
Okay, that's nice.
I remember when I go to school with your father. I thought I'd teach your father in class. Are you okay? I hope you are fine.
You know what? I'm having little stomach ache, so I wanted to ask if you could find a way for me to eat myself.
Don't worry. Let's discuss about your father.
My stomach.
Oh, what did you just do?
You know what? I want a place to ease myself, please. My stomach.
American lady like you.
Please,
you are flashy or me.
I want a place to ease myself, please. I beg you.
Your friend's life is at stake, so you must say every truth you know about this matter.
My elders, I swear, all what I'm saying is nothing but the truth. He came to me after he has threatened his father without the cutlass. This morning, he left my house. I even walked him out, but I didn't send him home because I was afraid Papa is going to blame me for letting his son take alcohol. And what do you think so? We met Openi Jenfi yesterday at the bar, and he questioned Nkrabea's appearance, which became a fight between Openi Jenfi and I. So I knew that he was going to report to Papa.
Why did you boys go and drink?
Nkrabea wanted some money from his father, and he didn't know how to go about it.
What was Nkrabea going to use the money for?
To buy gold and make jewelry with it.
Kweku, this is enough. We shall leave you. But be ready, because the chief will invite you to the palace.
One more thing, my elders. I know Nkrabea, and I can put my life down to say he didn't kill his father.
Kweku, you can only say that to the chief when he invites you to the palace.
Asempa, where are you going to?
I'm going to my farm.
Asempa, the last time we met, what did I tell you on the farm?
I'm going to harvest my crops.
I told you never to go to that farm again. And you won't. Yo! Come. Plastic, Asempa or shelf.
Nana, we've done serious investigation into all directions. He killed his father.
Ah! Nana, no. Nana. I swear that I didn't kill my father.
What are you from? Nana, Gusumi Kase. Dr. Sikan, who was Sikan?
Sir.
My elders, I have also done my investigations. But I think he's innocent.
Nana, you can't know Islamika. Nana, we all here knows that you have also done an investigation. But if he thinks he's innocent, he has to prove it.
Yes.
Prove it if you're innocent, Kofi.
Nana, you know who I am. You are my classmate. And we have been friends since our childhood. Nana, you know what I can do and what I can't do. Even though we have not been close since you became the chief. But thank you for trusting in me. Let me die and face the consequences of this issue. If you say, you throw away and your boyfriend, because I'm a premu, mama who dey womb. I say me minimum share. And so I did to me so why that was. If you man can be a Uncle na mini oje fo this one ya me say o man no friend radio. Uncle na mo bro. Oh Nana.
Nana, we are not here for singing or sharing tears. We are here for you to give us a fair judgment.
Yes. Fair judgment.
You shouldn't stay here and let him waste our time. Waste your precious time.
Please bring me a bowl of water and a towel. Naima, my elders, I am sorry. I'm not part of this judgment.
What we need is a fair judgment and not maltreatment.
Take him and let's go.
Hey,
Who's your penny? I didn't
Kofi Nkrabea.
Who's your penny?
Hey, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, let's go, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy,
Akwesi, you know who I'm standing with? Come on.
Hey, yeah.
It is very sad that Papa is dead. I have lost a great deal. He was a man who loved me more than his own son. Could it be that he killed his father because he knows his father loves you more? I don't know. I'm so confused because Kofi never showed that he hates me and we all lived happily. I hope the truth come out soon. I pray so. Now, what I'm waiting for is for my uncle to be given a befitting burial, and then I will marry you. Okay, let me start going. Thanks for
Kofi Nkrabea, a Johnny, Juba, Fio, my infant so, and my new year, a Johnny Manoa, nobody am a war. Missy, my infant so, and my name, a Johnny Manoa, nobody am a war. Olivia, a Johnny, no video. Olivia, a Johnny, no, many a man, no, many a man, no, many a man, Kofi, no, many a man, Kofi, no, many a man, Kofi Nkrabea. Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Missy go Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy,
Why should he go cutting down the crops when the case was ruled in his favor?
Yes, Nana. But he's very kind and he's capable of doing anything to make sure that he penalizes Asem.
Guards, Atiame, get the other guards. Search around the whole village. The wicked must be found. I repeat, the wicked must be found. Look for the head of my niece. Atiame, the wicked must be found. I repeat it, the wicked must be found. Elders Harry, organize some older men to go to the Queen Mother's house to console her. Make sure nothing happened to her. Make sure.
Asem, why are you going with the bag behind you?
Benjamin, I'm going to my father's land. I can't stand the trespass taking me through.
I strongly believe that you've not planned anything against him because it is left for the chief to give his final decision.
Benjamin, I don't really like the family. I am going out of this village to my father's land to start a new life.
Asem, I'll advise you to go for a day or two because if you go and you are not there, but you'll be favored, and if you think it is fine, you can leave.
Say good also. So my brother, let me go.
Yeah, what's the matter?
Asantewa,
what has she done?
eh? Hey. Asantewa has been.
Santewa, continue. What has she done?
Asantewa has been Asantewa has been murdered.
What did you just say?
Asantewa's body was found without her head on it.
Oh, stop telling lies.
I swear. The message has spread all over the village, and the king has sent his guards to search every home, block every path, and stop people from entering or going out of this village.
Hey, who did this to me? He has turned me into a bachelor forever. I swear, if that person is found, his head must be cut off as well. You know something? I must help the guards find that person.
Where are you going? I'm going to my father's land. Did you not hear the message from the chief that no one is to leave the village? No, I left very early. You have really walked a long way, but you cannot go to your father's land today because Asanto head is cut off. Hey, who did this to our queen? God, check the bag.
Why? What's the matter?
don't know anything about it.
Achame,
I don't know anything about it.
Asatua, you have the head of a royal and you are telling me you don't know anything about it.
I don't know anything about it, Nana.
God, put him in the sacred. He shall be used as a sacrifice. This one.
Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba Jimmy, Bimba
Does it belong to you? It is. Leave it. The property is not yours.
Hey, what is going on here?
You go inside. It's none of your business.
I will not go anywhere to tell me what you are talking about here.
If you don't leave here right now, I'm going to kill you like I killed your father.
What did you just say?
I said, if you don't leave here, I'm going to kill you like I killed your father. Now get out of my sight! Leave it. It doesn't belong to you. Is it for your father or does it belong to you?
Leave
my family.
Leave it. Leave it, one.
I'll leave it 10 times. I said leave it. It doesn't belong to you. Does it belong to you? One. Leave it. Leave it. Does it belong to you? I'll finish what? I'll beat someone down. What is it, father?
He wants to kill me. Yeah, wants to kill me. There's nobody there. He's in our house. And he says he'll kill me just like he killed my father. Which show are you talking about? Your son.
Don't say this anyway. My son can never do that. Huh?
No. I'm going to the palace. Hey, come. Let's go to my house so I can protect you. Come.
My land has become a wicked one. And Obusapeni, I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Nkrabea was my friend and my mate. I knew what you could do
and what he couldn't do.
Nana, my son is innocent.
Shut up!
My son is innocent, Nana.
Shut up, Waje! How dare you walk into the palace and speak when the elders do not ask you to speak?
Nana, a chap watching and his family don't know his pet. They think they're untouchable. They don't respect anybody in this town. Yes, sir. We're not catching him. I'm going to shut up. Oh, my mom is coming. Come on, sir. My mom is doing it. Yes, my boss. What are we doing? They don't even respect us too. Nana, my son is innocent and I ask for his release. Else, see, if you don't stop this your madness in this palace, you see what we will do to you right now. I'm ready to watch it and I'll show you that I'm an elder in this palace. Hey, same thing say you sir. You guys see my share. Eja. Messi. Mama griga. Mama hire she. Well, some tiamu James.
Otiame.
Nana.
Order is arrest.
Take you the justice of all less.
Put them in the sacred.
Today he go die. Oh, today he go die. When I give you the eye, just press his neck.
When you share it, please share it well.
Oh, today he will die. Today he will die. When I give you the eye, just press his neck.
I have something to tell you. What is it? The mother gods have told me that something is happening at the prison. So let's go and accompany me.
How can I live with you at this time of the night? Just because you think that something is happening at the prison.
Ajigunawa, if you're an elder, you should be ready to attend the needs of your people at any time.
But you're not in the day. You're in the night.
How? I can see them running.
I'm not ready for this your hallucination. We need to say me cinema. I see. Minkoja. If so be Johnny, prison. I'm going to be there. I'm can say. Pacho di kai na ko shembe man am dem your ba. Nyama we me see o tira me nya atare.
If I have power in this village, I could have all the elders. Because none of you help the people of this land. At heart, I wish I could have saved my friend. But look at my hand. It has no strength to fight, or even a single guide. Okay, let me go and rest. But my wandering mind. After all, I want a senpai, but he did not listen.
I been Tina say, Minkoja.
You've insulted these two for so long, and I've been pampering you just because you're a family member. But today, the law must work. You'll be hanged. Guys, take them away! Send them away!